So, coaches have 2 challenge attempts per set.
Oo. Mishka Fernandez, well-executed attack.
Mishka Fernandez making it seem like there were no blockers in front of her. What a save.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner. And Giga gets it across. Escobar bumps it up. Mishka Fernandez, it's good.
First point of Mishka Fernandez here in the second set. All-around contribution from UST so far.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Mishka. Gulapa was there to turn it back. Mishka one more time. 2-point lead for University of Santo Tomas. Jenna Hora from the left bin. Arasan.
You are still watching the 2025 Shaky Super League Preseason Unity Cup. UST Golden Tigress Red Chorado has embraced her role as a leader, not just at the front lines, but particularly holding the fort for the second stringers. Sabi niya, this is her way of stepping up and making sure
Iba naman yung kasama niya ngayon, no? Not the usual, the Angge Poyos, the...
Started out strong actually,
Yeah.
but again, that reception, Ateneo homegrown.
Bumps it, Red Chorado. Nice pickup by Tax Fujimoto. Pero nandoon din si Mishka Fernandez on that Ngiga attack. That time,